Bonjour, welcome to my channel where we learn how to speak French. Today we are going to take a look at the verb to be and the opposite, not to be. Être ou ne pas être. Why? Because you already know the verb être, right? The verb to be, with the pronoun je, tu, il, elle. Do you remember? It was je suis, tu es, il est, elle est, right? And the pronoun nous, vous, il, elle, plural. Nous sommes, vous êtes, remember the z. Ils sont, elles sont. So the verb to be is important to give information about people. Like here, who is it? Qui est-ce? C'est Bill Gates. Il est américain, il est riche, il est milliardaire, right? For another example here, qui est-ce? C'est Marilyn Monroe. Elle est américaine. Elle est actrice. Elle est blonde. Elle est belle. Belle means beautiful. So I try to choose some adjectives who are transparent between English and French. But okay, now how to say the opposite? How to use the negation? Using the verb to be as an example, as an introduction for the negation. I'm going to make another video about it. Okay. In a sentence, you have a subject and a verb. For example, with the verb to be, je suis. Right? And in English, you add not to the verb to make the opposite. I am not. In French, we don't use one word, we use two. Ne and pas. Ne pas. And it's not after the verb, but surrounding the verb. So it's like a little car. The little car is a verb. And the ne pas is like two police cars surrounding it. So it's je suis becomes je ne suis pas. You can guess the next one. Tu es will be tu n'es pas. And this is a trick because remember last time I told you with the video about the verb avoir. Quick reminder, but with the verb avoir, we learned that the je, when you have je for example, the e becomes an apostrophe. Why? Because e is a weak vowel, and in front of a verb starting with a vowel, a, e, i, o, u, the e disappear. We have j'ai, example, j'adore. And it's the same with ne. Ne pas. Ne is a weak vowel, so if you have a verb starting with another vowel, a, e, i, o, u, it disappeared. For example, tu es, tu n'es pas. And you have the same with il est, il n'est pas. So you can guess elle est. Start with a vowel, so elle n'est pas. So here you have je suis, je ne suis pas. Tu es, tu n'es pas. Il est, il n'est pas. Elle est, elle n'est pas. You can guess the next one. Nous sommes. The opposite is nous ne sommes pas. The next one. Vous êtes. Vous n'êtes pas. The next one. Ils sont. Ils ne sont pas. The next one. Elles sont. Elles ne sont pas. Right? So you have nous sommes. Nous ne sommes pas. Vous êtes. Vous n'êtes pas. Ils sont. Ils ne sont pas. Elles sont. Elles ne sont pas. And another form that you have with a verb, it's when I did just before with c'est. Like when I say, c'est Bill Gates, c'est Marilyn Monroe. It is Bill Gates, it is Marilyn Monroe. When you introduce somebody or something, you're going to use c'est. And the plural is ce sont, right? What is the opposite of c'est? It will be ce n'est pas. What will be the opposite of sont? The plural, ce ne sont pas. Ce sont, ce ne sont pas. I'll give you some example. This is just extra for you. The first example here, it's a man. Okay? I translate in French. C'est un homme. The next one, it's a woman. I translate in French. C'est une femme. Right? I can even add here. Ce n'est pas un homme. So, c'est une femme. Ce n'est pas un homme. And here you have a plural. You have more than one. So, ce sont des hommes. Plural form. Ce sont des hommes. Negation. Ce ne sont pas des femmes. Ce ne sont pas des femmes. So it's a bit more complicated. It's for people who are already more than beginners. Last example I give you. Here it's a cat. Translation. C'est un chat. C'est un chat. Ce n'est pas un chien. Alright? Ce n'est pas un chien. Here, it's a dog. C'est un chien. Ce n'est pas un chat. Alright? So this is just an introduction with ne pas. You have to remember ne pas for the opposite, for the negation. And to finish, an expression that we use from Shakespeare, to be or not to be. Être ou ne pas être, ça c'est une question. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something. See you next time. Bye.